Hello guys, welcome to my review of the Tramontina Citrus Press. It is a heavy-duty commercial grade one, and we have purchased this, and I'm gonna just show you what comes in the box and give you a little demonstration as well. This particular press comes in a few different colors. We chose the lime green color for a business that we are operating. And you can see that it's a one-piece unit with some stainless parts. You have a funnel, ridged funnel, and strainer. It's two parts that need to be washed with warm soapy water, and the pressing cone on the top you can wipe down with a warm clean rag. That's according to the instructions inside. As you can see, it does have some moving parts, so you got to be careful where you hold on when pressing your fruit down, because you don't want to get fingers or tiny fingers of children stuck in there. So there's a bumper there that the handle is conveniently bumping up against so that it doesn't scratch things up. And there's a place for you to put your cup underneath the strainer. It shows you where to hold on to the machine when you are straining and where not to hold on to it. There's kind of a green handle back there. That's inside the pressing cone, and we are going to press for a demo an orange, just so you can see it in operation. So I'm pressing the orange half down onto the cone, press down with the handle, and the juice will flow into your container of choice. I've chosen a Pyrex measuring cup. Alrighty. As you can see, it has definitely mashed that orange half down well, and there's the juice from it. And that's again where you hold on to the citrus press. When you hold on there, you pull down the handle. Very easy to use, and we've got almost a half a cup of juice from that orange. A lot of pulp layer left over if you need to use it for anything. The strainer caught all the seeds, actually, from the lemon that's coming up. That was a navel orange. It didn't have any seeds. So here's our lemon. You know, it does different sizes. Mashes it really well. I didn't get any seeds falling into the measuring cup, though it looks like the holes in the strainer are big enough that you might get a stray seed or two. Little suction on that one there. You can see it mashed it thoroughly. Quite a bit of lemon juice from that lemon, and just showing you what the strainer looks like after pressing an orange and a lemon. Here it is in side views. If you like this demonstration, if you like this item, I have a link below to some similar items and to one exactly like this on Amazon. Please subscribe and like this video, and have a great day, everyone.